How to fix Facebook login code problem. If you're not receiving a login code on Facebook, now do not try from the same page over and over again. Before you get started, make sure to check your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is working just fine. And if you're trying to log in again and again, just close from the Facebook application completely like this and make sure that's the case. If that doesn't help either, long press the Facebook application on Android, then tap on I button. That will take you to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android phone where you can go to storage and clear the cache files and clear the data. Check if the Facebook app has an update. Now, if you're still not receiving the code, then Facebook might have sent the code to the previous device where your Facebook account was logged in. So in that case, you want to check because you'll receive a notification normally like this that says someone is trying to log in. So let us know that it's you. And when you approve a login, you'll say you approved a login. So try to look on the other device where your Facebook account is still logged in. Look for notifications that you might receive. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.